Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, let's see how to crochet a scarf using the basket weave stitch. This is made of front and back post stitches that are placed alternately to produce this beautiful basket weave pattern. The scarf is about 7 inches wide and 65 inches long. I used about 450 meters of medium worsted weight or category 4 yarn and a 5.5 mm crochet hook. Let's begin. First make a slip knot and then work 28 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. First row, skip the first 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and then work a double crochet in the 4th chain. So the skipped 3 chains will count as the first stitch and this will be the second stitch, and then work 1 double crochet in each chain across. First row is completed. The total number of stitches will be 26. The skip 3 chains at the beginning will count as a stitch. Let's start the second row. Make 2 chains and turn. This will count as the first stitch. Now work front post double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Leave the first stitch and work into the next 3 stitches. To make a front post double crochet, yarn over and now insert the hook from front to back in the space that is before the stitch. Bring the hook again to the front through the space next to the stitch and then yarn over and pull it through the space behind the stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Similarly, work front post double crochet around the post of the next 2 stitches. Now work back post double crochet around the post of the next 3 stitches. Yarn over the hook and insert hook from back to front through the space that is before the stitch, and then take the hook again to the back of the stitch through the next space after the stitch, and then grab the yarn and pull it through the space in front of the stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is the back post double crochet stitch. Repeat this in the next 2 stitches. Then work front post double crochet around the post of the next 3 stitches. Then work back post double crochet around the post of the next 3 stitches. Alternate these two stitches, back post double crochet and front post double crochet 3 times until the end of the row. Finally, work a double crochet in the last stitch. You can see all these stitches will appear different on the other side. Chain 2 and turn. The first 3 stitches that appear raised on this side were the back post double crochet stitches on the other side of the previous row. Work front post double crochet around the post of these 3 stitches. Then work back post double crochet around the post of the next 3 stitches. These were the front post double crochet stitches in the previous row. Then work 3 front post double crochet stitches followed by 3 back post double crochet stitches. Repeat these 2 stitches 3 times each across. Complete the row with a double crochet in the last stitch. In the next 2 rows, we'll change the order of the stitches. Chain 2 and turn. We started with front post double crochet in the last 2 rows. In this row, we'll start with back post double crochet. So work back post double crochet stitches in the first 3 stitches. Then work front post double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Back post double crochet in the next 3 stitches and then front post double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Repeat this across. finishing the row with a double crochet in the last stitch. Next is row 5. Row 5 is also same as row 4. You'll start with back post double crochet, make 2 chains and turn, and then work back post double crochet in 3 stitches, and then work front post double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Repeat these stitches across. In the next 2 rows, again you'll change the order of the stitches. Chain 2 and turn, and you'll start the row with front post double crochet in 3 stitches, and then back post double crochet in 3 stitches. Similarly, in the next row also you'll start with front post double crochet, and then the next 2 rows you'll start with back post double crochet. Repeat these rows. There is rows 2, 3, 4 and 5, as many times as you want. I attached fringes at both the ends. A written pattern is available in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.